Dear children, we learnt about non-standard and standard measurements of length in our previous sessions. Non-standard measurements of length அப்படின்னா length measure பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம non-standardஆன விஷயங்கள், அதாவது நம்மளோட body parts இல்லைனா வேறு ஏதாவது objects like box, pencil, eraser அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா it is a non-standard measurement. அதில் நிறைய பிழைகள் வரலாம், right? Standard measurements of length அதனால தான் உருவாக்குனாங்க. Calibrated scales, tape அந்த மாதிரியான calibrated விஷயம், ஸ்டாண்டர்டான விஷயங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணி மெஷர் பண்ணும்போது தப்பு வராது. So, we go for standard measurements of length. In previous session, we learnt 4 types of standard measurements of length: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. In this session, let me introduce you few more standard metrics of measuring length. Look at this, children. The standard metric units available are kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Here, kilometer is the highest metric unit and millimeter is the smallest metric unit. The short forms of these metric units are km for kilometer, hm for hectometer, dam for decameter, m for meter, dm for decimeter, cm for centimeter, mm for millimeter. Now let us see the relationship between the metrics of length. Let us start from the centimeter scale. You have a centimeter ruler, right? ஒரு ஸ்கேல் வச்சிருப்பீங்க பாக்ஸில் எல்லாருமே, அது ரூலர். அதில் இருக்கிற மெஷர்மெண்ட் என்னது? சென்டிமீட்டர், ரைட். 1 சென்டிமீட்டரில் 10 சின்ன ஸ்மால் லைன்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஒவ்வொரு லைனும் ஒரு மில்லிமீட்டர். ஸோ விச் மீன்ஸ் 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 10 millimeter. Similarly, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So, I am going to teach you how to convert from one metric unit to another metric unit. ஒரு metric unitல இருந்து இன்னொரு metric unitக்கு எப்படி convert பண்றதுன்னு நான் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க போறேன். To make conversions easier, remember these 2 points, children. To convert upper scale into lower scale, the number should be multiplied. To convert lower scale into upper scale, the number should be divided. Look at this conversion chart, children. This clearly shows what I meant. அதாவது இப்போ கிலோமீட்டர்லேருந்து ஹெக்டோமீட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும் ஒரு நம்பரை அப்படின்னா, கிலோமீட்டர் ஹையர் ஸ்கேல் யூனிட், ஹெக்டோமீட்டர் லோயர் ஸ்கேல் யூனிட், கரெக்ட் தானே? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு மல்டிப்ளை த நம்பர் பை 10. சிமிலர்லி மில்லிமீட்டர்லேருந்து சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. லுக் அட் த ப்ளூ ஆரோ மார்க். ஸோ லோயர் ஸ்கேல்லேருந்து ஹையர் ஸ்கேல் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும்போது யூ ஹாவ் டு டிவைட் த நம்பர் பை 10. In your current syllabus, kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter are the 4 metric units that are given. So I am omitting all the other metric units for now. So மற்ற metric units எல்லாத்தையும் omit பண்ணிட்டு the chart can be converted like this. You have only kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. I am representing this relationship in the conversion chart. Remember this conversion chart, children. This simple chart will help you solve any kind of conversion problems. Now let me show you few example problems of how to convert into millimeter, into centimeter, into meter and kilometer. The first type is to convert any given metric unit into millimeter. The short form of millimeter is mm. This is the conversion chart of kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Kilometer is the higher unit, millimeter is the smaller unit. So as I told you before, when we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, you need to multiply. And while converting from smaller unit to bigger unit, we need to divide. இப்போ கொடுத்திருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை எப்படி மில்லிமீட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போறோம்னு பார்ப்போம். The first problem is 70 centimeter. We need to convert this centimeter into millimeter. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So we need to multiply by 10. Right? So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 70 centimeter is equal to 70 into 10 millimeter is equal to 700 millimeter. This is the answer. Got it? Look at the next problem, 7 meter. So we need to convert from meter to millimeter. Meter to millimeter. So you need to take two jumps, meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. 100 and or 10. Rendu multiply panano. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Got it? 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 7 meter is equal to 7 into 1000 millimeter, which is equal to 7000 millimeter. This is the answer. Now look at the next problem. 65 centimeter, 6 millimeter. We need to convert this into millimeter. So 6 millimeter is already in millimeter, so I am not touching it. 65 centimeter has to be converted into millimeter. To convert from higher unit to lower unit, you need to multiply 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 65 centimeter is equal to 65 into 10 millimeter plus add the 6 millimeter as it is. Do not touch it. 650 millimeter plus 6 millimeter. So adding it together, 656 millimeter is the answer. Got it? Now let us learn how to convert any given metric unit into centimeters. So write the conversion chart, which is very important. Here we are going to convert everything into centimeter. The first question is 5 meter. Meter to centimeter. Look at the relationship. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, which means 5 into 100 centimeter is equal to 500 centimeter. That's it. Look at the next problem. 7 meter, 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter is already in centimeter, so I am not touching it. So let us convert 7 meter into centimeter. The same relationship, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 7 meter, 40 centimeter is equal to 7 into 100 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. 700 centimeter plus 40 centimeter is equal to 740 centimeter. Got it? Perfect. Now look at the third problem. 110 millimeter. We need to convert from millimeter to centimeter. From smaller unit to bigger unit, we need to divide by 10. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. We know that, right? So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. You need to divide by 10. Therefore, 110 millimeter is equal to 110 divided by 10 centimeter. So, when you divide 110 divided by 10, you get 11 centimeter. This is the answer. Now let us see how to convert any metric unit into meter. I have written the conversion chart for reference. You need to convert into meter, right? The first problem is 7 kilometer 50 meter. I am not touching 50 meter because it is already in meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Can you see the relationship? So, 7 kilometer is equal to 7 into 1000 meters plus 50 meter. We have to write it as it is. So 7000 meter plus 50 meter. Adding it together, 7050 meter. Look at the second problem, children. 850 centimeter. When you are converting from centimeter to meter, see, lower to higher unit, you need to divide by 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. You have to divide by 100. 850 centimeter is equal to 850 divided by 100 meter. When you divide this, 850 divided by 100, you get 8 times 800, balance 50, which means 8 meter and 50 centimeter. Got it? Very good. Now look at the third problem. 2005 millimeter. Here millimeter to meter, right? So you need to divide by 1000. You need to take two steps. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. So 2005 millimeter is equal to 2005 divided by 1000 meter. When you divide this, 2005 divided by 1000, 2 times 2000, balance is 5. So which means 2 meter and 5 millimeter. 2 meter and 5 millimeter. This is the answer. Got it? Now let us see how to convert the metric units meter to kilometer. When you have to convert from meter to kilometer, you need to divide by 1000. We know the relationship between kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Remember this relationship to solve this problem. The question is 9000 meter, which is equal to 9000 divided by 1000 kilometer. When we divide 9000 by 1000, 9 times 9000, the remainder is 0. So the answer is 9 kilometer. Very good. Now look at the next problem. 2300 meter. So when we convert from meter to kilometer, we need to divide by 1000. So 2300 divided by 1000 is equal to 2 times 2000. The remainder is 300. So 2 kilometer and 300 meter. Answer is 2 kilometer 300 meter. Got it, children? Now kindly solve the conversion problems, children. Call me for any doubts. Thank you.